Alright guys, this is going to be a first for me here. We are at a landfill in Southern Virginia right now, and we're going to have a unique way of getting offloaded right here. I guess they're going to tip the trailer? Let's see what this is all about. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, as we said before, we're down here in Lawrenceville, Virginia. I got a garbage load, about 44,000 pounds worth of garbage in the trailer. And yeah, we're at a landfill right now. This is a first for me. I have never done anything like this before. We're waiting in line right now. It kind of goes around here and then wraps around. You can see some of those trucks up there waiting. And just out of sight, I guess they get offloaded in a specific way here. But yeah, this is gonna be a first for me, so let's see what this is all about. Tell you what, got a nice little view though up here on a dirty landfill, and it doesn't smell. Down at the entrance at the bottom where you scaled in at, it was stanky. Over here where we're at, surprisingly it doesn't smell. And I got the AC on, dude. You would think this would be a dangerous game, but it's all right. I mean, it's 9 o'clock in the morning and my truck's saying it's 79 degrees outside right now, so it's hot. So you would think it'd be like hot, nasty garbage smell, but not yet, at least. Nothing to speak of. All right, we're making our way up here. Now we're kind of at the top of like the plateau hill area. Gonna get a better view now. Over there, the buzzard's circling something. I don't know what's going on over there, but still can't see anything yet. Good line here. Good line of trucks coming in. A lot of garbage. A lot of trash. Some would say this load is trash. Haha. So it looks like, still waiting in line here. It looks like, I guess you like come up here and then you like spin around. You like kind of spin around and then you must like back into like the tipper. And then you just open up your doors and they literally just lift the tipper up. All the stuff falls out of the trailer, puts it back down, and then you hook back up. That's what it looks like, at least. So I've never been on anything like this before. I know guys that haul like potatoes and stuff like that, they do something like this with the reefer, but like I've never done this in my dry van career. You know, this is something new, so this will be interesting to see. Add it to the resume. All right, it's been about an hour and a half since we left the check-in scale gate thing. We finally made it to the top. Now we're just waiting our turn. There's 2 tippers right here. There's this dude rolling out. And so I guess we just spin around. I haven't talked to anybody yet, but I'm just following everybody else. I guess you just spin around, open up, back in, unhook, and they tip it, rehook up, and then you leave. So we'll see. See how this all goes right here. Should be interesting. Should be interesting. Alright, it's go time. There goes the trailer. I don't know if y'all can even see this. Sorry, I can't be outside of the truck while this is happening, so this is about as good as it's gonna get, but up it goes. Literally just like on hydraulics. I didn't have to lower the landing gear. I just unhook the 5th wheel, pull forward a bit, and all this shit just literally just dumps out. Pretty wild. Efficient. Still takes a while to get through the line, but still pretty efficient. Quick. Quicker than I would imagine, you know, traditional unloading with a forklift and all that. And it's coming back down. That right there, I'll scooch forward a minute. That's all it is. Here it comes back down. Cool. All right, now I gotta go back out and hook back up. And that, boys and girls, is all there is to it. Literally took 1 minute and 30 seconds to unload the trailer. Tipper goes up, tipper goes back down. Like I said, you don't even gotta raise the load of landing gear. Hook your airlines back up, pull out. Now I just gotta make my way down back to the bottom. Put your suspension to the test, that's for sure. Coming through here, all dirt, mud, trash, rocks, ruts, boulders, obstacles. Ooh, just slipped right there. That's probably really soft. Oh, where you going, my boy? There we go. Oh, doors are swinging. Yeah, this is great coming down through here, dude. Dude, the ruts running down from when it rains or whatever, dude. And the water. Woo! Alright. Now we're getting somewhere. I still gotta check inside the trailer, see what that looks like. Pretty damp. Make sure there's no garbage or anything left over. I might have to sweep it out real quick, but we'll see. But guys, that concludes this delivery, so that'll conclude this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Comments down below, let me know your thoughts. Have you ever done a tipper delivery? Do you like coming to landfills and wasting 2 hours to get unloaded? Not too bad. Not too bad. Pretty quick way to unload. But subscribe if you're new. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like, comment, share, all that fun stuff. And we will catch you in the next one, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.